Good morning, guys. It's day number 2 in Los Angeles. Yesterday I was so jet lagged after Las Vegas, so I couldn't even go anywhere. But today we're going to have full program. Right now it's 7 o'clock in the morning, 7 a.m. and I'm taking you guys hiking. We're gonna go to Runyon Canyon, one of my favorite places to hike because it's very convenient. It's in the middle of the city and it's very easy to get access to. And it's just, the view is beautiful. It's incredible. So we're gonna start with the Runyon Canyon. Let's go. Of course, LA is super hot right now and I have no sunscreen with me. So I think we're gonna get burned today to go and find coffee now. Because the restaurant they have in W is closed, of course. So, but I think they do serve coffee. Okay. That's why I love LA. The hikes are the best here. Okay guys, I'm ready. Let's go find coffee. The W coffee is here. And my Uber is 2 minutes away. Usually no sugar, but today just a little. Seems so beautiful outside. It's 20 minutes drive and now we finally made it here to my favorite place. I'm already tired. So one of the reasons I love this place, because it's literally 10 minutes away from the city. Whew, and it's a quick hike, 30 minutes. Huh? So there is 3 different ways how you can go hiking here. Today we're gonna take the easiest one. But it's actually the most beautiful one. And I feel like that's the longest one. Whew, I'm gonna show you now. So when you enter, you should go left. Wow! Do you guys see how beautiful it's here? Wow. And now it's actually not hot, but I feel like in 30 minutes, when we're gonna get down, it's gonna be crazy hot already. Look how beautiful. Ten minutes hiking, I already cannot breathe. Whew. Very beautiful. That's why I miss Los Angeles. Because of hikes. Beautiful. I would do it every morning if I live here. Okay, it took me 20 minutes to get here. I completely forgot how to do this. But we're almost on the top of the hill. It already looks incredible. We made it, but there is some extra hiking space here, so we're gonna go and do a little extra today. I believe it's like 10 minutes more.
Stop!
But the view is gonna be much better. You can actually see the Hollywood sign. It wasn't hard actually, it was nice. Oh my god, I'm all sweaty. Whew, no sunscreen. Nice. I'm gonna show you guys the Hollywood sign right there. So basically it was only 30 minutes hike. Not bad, huh? Look at the view behind me. Okay guys, we did some videos and some reels, some TikToks in the top of the hill of Runyon Canyon. My white shoes is now gonna be super dirty, and let's hope we're not gonna see any snakes. And I'm not talking about girls, I'm talking about actual snakes, LA snakes. But the views are the best here. Wow! You see the hill behind me? Puppy?
Archie, don't eat that.
Archie. My dog's name was Archie before. It was a golden retriever. Every guy is going up here. I'm going down here, so I'm the lazy one. There's so many animals here I can hear. Oh. Now is going to be the hardest part. Whew. But I do believe I deserve some nice breakfast right now. And do you remember, guys, if you watched my last vlog from Las Vegas, I found Urth Caffé there. And I told you guys that Urth Caffé is my favorite place to eat in LA for breakfast. Oh my god. And it's only me here, so if I'm die here, you guys you guys better find my body. I'm gonna show you. Oh my god. Maybe I shouldn't be filming right now and just focus. Very good, very good, very good, very good. You guys at least can see me. We almost made it. Nobody's going down here, only me. Everybody's going up. Sounds wrong, actually. We need to take some nice pictures. When I moved to LA, like 5 or 6 years ago, I actually did a beautiful photo shoot. Actually, let me tell you the full story. So when I moved to Los Angeles, I believe it was like 6 years ago, 7 years ago. Oh! That was dangerous. Let's put it this way. And look at this stuff. Imagine you fell on this. Okay. But we actually done kind of 5 more minutes. Ooh. And I think my Nike wasn't the best choice. But that's okay. And I knew I'm coming to LA. So do you guys think I should start talking more about my job? What I do with the private jets? Whew. What do you guys think? I need to film this, guys. Do you see this? It's getting very hot. But we made it, guys. We did it! You guys did the full hike with me. Now I can relax for a couple minutes. I have a beautiful space to sit down. I think we're gonna do it. Okay, guys, I feel like this is the best view for Runyon Canyon. Wow. You can actually see the ocean. Maybe we should go to Nobu tonight. But I feel like all the roads are still closed after all those fires. It's time to have breakfast now. Why am I only talking about the food? That's a very good question. I believe there is 2 locations for the Urth Caffé in Los Angeles area. And we're gonna go to the most famous one, where you sometimes see some celebrities. So it's going to be in West Hollywood on Melrose. So you guys remember about this place. They have the best breakfast, actually. So we're gonna eat. I'm actually very excited. because last time in Las Vegas we didn't have much time to eat it sit down. Look at the puppy. Puppy. Nope. Not this time. My Uber should be here already because we are too lazy to walk. Yeah, good timing. So, oops. Hello, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, Julia.
Yes.
Julia or Julia?
The same thing. Right, thank you. Спасибо.
Пожалуйста. Значит,
We almost made it to the coffee shop. Yeah, I love LA. Look, everywhere is beautiful. I mean, only if you don't see homeless people around. But how lovely. Now it's time to have some coffee. And I want to get the panini. Let's try not to get hit. I feel like we got too much food. I got the panini, chicken panini, it's coming. I got the Spanish latte and matcha muffin, my favorite. I'm just gonna taste it. Oh my god, it's so good. I love it, it's not super sweet. Wow. I feel like after the hike, I can do whatever I want. Frenchie doesn't want to go home. We got the Spanish latte. Tastes so good. It's like I'm sitting in a little garden. And I got the Diablo panini. So it basically comes with it's like a chicken sandwich with cheese, and that's it. But it tastes so good. It's definitely heavy. But we did the full hike today. They were good. So good. And I'm making my video from the Running Canyon. Look at this. Spicy. Guys, Julia is back. I already changed in the hotel. And now I have to do little work, so we're gonna go back to the airport. Thanks God it's only 20. Oh shit, you scared me! You're on camera. Oh my God, that was funny. So thanks God it's only 20 minutes away. So I'm gonna do quick work, and after I think we're gonna go maybe to Nobu Malibu, one of actually the most beautiful places on earth. Okay guys, I already finished with work at the Van Nuys airport in LA. Now I'm hungry. I just realized that the last time I was eating, it was at Urth Caffé, like 7 hours ago. And now we got stuck in traffic for literally 30 minutes already. The cars are not moving. So the traffic is finally moving. Now we're going to this famous place. They call it Nobu, in the middle of the Malibu. Ocean view is so amazing, but you cannot swim in the ocean. That's okay. But the view is amazing. Why do we always stop when I start filming? Wow, so beautiful. Okay guys, we made it to this famous Nobu restaurant and we are super hungry, so it's time to eat. Okay, the first thing we're gonna try is going to be spicy edamame. Looks promising. I never knew how to eat it with the chopsticks, but it's spicy. So the second thing we're gonna try is the ahi tuna roll. I like basic stuff. Okay, the second thing we're trying is the sashimi peppers. One of my favorite things. It's gonna be spicy. I like this one better than in Madame Mama. Okay, the whole reason I came to Nobu is for this. Definitely one of my favorites. It's uni. It does look like a little lobster brain or something. Let's try baby corn. And one more of my favorite sushi is ikura. Not because I'm Russian. It smells so good. The lunch was definitely too much. Good morning, guys. It's my day number 3 in LA. Actually, it was such a funny story already in the morning. I just woke up and I decided to go to the coffee shop, and it's early morning. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. And I'm like wearing very light dress, going out, and it's freezing as hell here. So I'm like, maybe it's a good idea for me to change. So now I'm actually wearing like super warm outfit. I forgot that LA is actually very stable. In the morning, it's basically super cold, but lunchtime, it's super hot, and dinner, it's super cold. So welcome to LA. I missed it so much actually, because Miami could be too hot. And now I'm taking you guys with me to the coffee shop. It's my last day. I'm leaving today at 1 o'clock. At least we can have good matcha or coffee. Still couldn't decide. Oh my god, my face is like I slept for 20 hours. Yeah, and actually yesterday I fell asleep like a baby. Okay guys, I definitely didn't like the coffee shop, so we're not gonna say where it's from, because the people inside were super rude. I mean, I understand it's 8 o'clock in the morning, but still, be kind to people. You guys have a beautiful day. I'm gonna get ready for my flight.